And inside this diaper is a surprise.
I'm not
It's
scared.
food. Just
Oh,
kidding.
it might be. I can't tell you.
Well, that smells something so
Is it a
stinks.
toaster? On the count of 3, what you guys are gonna do is open up this lovely diaper and find your surprise inside.
And eat it.
And eat it as fast as possible using nothing but your mouth.
Okay, I have
No
chewing
hands.
gum. Can I at least open the diaper with my hands?
Yes, you can.
I need a bin. I have chewing gum.
Push hold my glasses for
Wait,
me.
hold on.
Otherwise,
Hold
I'll
on.
get
Your
It only
trash.
stays
Give him a
each
J.
other for 3 days.
Winner gets a lovely prize.
Seth, is this a lovely prize?
It's lovely. That's all you
I
need.
highly doubt it's a toaster.
It's a brand new car.
Oh yeah.
Which is the price right side.
I'm ready for this. Hold on, just give me a moment.
My hair is not ready in this stuff.
Sam, do you want to put your hair back so you don't get it in there?
What? Allie. Allie. Oh, you gotta take off the extra shirt. Hey, Mike. Wait, Landry.
All right, ready?
Mama, ready?
Oh yeah.
Your keys.
And I can open it with my hands.
Yep.
Your keys.
Are you guys ready? Ready?
Thanks.
Ready?
Take care.
Get set.
This one.
You can
Go.
lift it off the table. You can lift it off the table.
It's getting gross when you touch the bottom.
Wow, Maddie's like just demolishing this. Have a winner. It's not gonna be fair. You got beat by a girl.
You gotta keep going. There's more in there.
I wanted one girl at that.
Dude, the girls are killing it. You're
Come
not.
on! Yeah!
Sam, let's keep it over the table.
Yeah.
Over the table.
You got one thing on it.